And Quinn's doing a no, would that be UFC? Is that a Kimura? Or is he doing a triangle? Get his guard. Get his guard, Quinn. Mac, get him. Get him, Mac. And it's a takedown. It's a takedown, 2 points. Quinn's on top. There he goes. Get him, Quinn. Get him, Quinn. Come on, Mac. Defend yourself. Mac's like, I'm loving this. Oh, Seymour. No humping, Seymour. No. Nice try, though. I'll give you credit for that. Yeah, that is, yeah. Oh, good job. Little dog wrestling. There's nothing better. Doop, 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 doop. Oh, Bonnie wants to get in on that. Bonbon, gentle. Bonbon, yeah. Good job. So many wrestling matches, so little time. Yeah. Buxton's over there with his butt in the air trying to get a ball. Buxton. Yeah, you guys still doing wrestling? Lily, you got ball? Still got ball? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.